Good morning, YouTube. John and J&J Auto Wrecking here, coming at you on a weird Thursday after the events of last night and yesterday. We need some lighthearted fun in here. So this is the test video of L5MA496. This is a 2005 Mazda RX-8. Not gonna lie, not a fan of these cars, but this one may have won me over, and you guys will see why in just a second here. When these things came out, I test drove a couple of them. I was just severely disappointed. I don't know, I felt like they kind of sold it as something that it really wasn't. They're not fast. They do handle phenomenal, I'll give them that, but they really don't move, and the Rotary is just weird. There's too many things with this motor as far as the deflooding and whatnot that, I don't know, didn't really do much for me back in the day. Let's hook up this vacuum line here. That might help things. Oh, well, wait a minute. Look at that, you guys didn't know this was a rebuild channel. Oh, come on, baby. Mason, hold this camera. We gotta fix something here. Look at that, we got vacuum leaks. This is clearly not factory. This is a piece of brass tubing that somebody has bent. Oh, man. And it's not the right size.
Spit on it a little bit.
Yeah. Come on, man. Woo, there we go. All right. Our first rebuild project's been completed on the channel, Andy. We had to fix a vacuum hose that popped off it. Anyways, this car does run and drive. Spoiler alert, completely missing the exhaust. So as soon as I turn this thing on, you guys are not gonna be able to hear a word I say. So we're gonna walk around the car, check out the interior, then we'll fire it up for the engine test. See if we can even close the hood here. That's not the positive terminal, is it?
No, that's negative.
Okay, I was gonna say, you wanna watch John burn a car down? Oh, come on, Mazda, your build quality is just superb. Let her eat. There we go. A lot of good front end parts on this car. It does have a decent amount of road rash on it. I don't even call it road rash. You know, the old rock chips they showed through on black. The hood's got some good scratches across it. My fingernail's not picking any of this up though. Fingernail's picking that up, so that's not gonna buff out. But like I said, a lot of good parts left on this car. All the body panels are straight. Was this a donated vehicle, guys? Mechanical. Yeah, so every time we get one of these cars on a mechanical, it's flooded. If you're an RX-8 owner, you know what clear flood mode is. We've become experts at it, and that's what happened with this one. So put a couple of battery boxes through it, did the old clear flood mode, and we got it running again. Like I said though, somebody robbed the cats off of it, so she is loud. This thing has a nice black leather and peanut butter interior. We are going to be selling this as a seat set. We will have the accompanying door panels for sale as well.
I even did the rear quarter.
He even did the rear quarter trims. Oh yeah, that's right, I didn't even see that. Cool. I don't know, I do like this one. I would drive this car. This interior is really doing it for me. I can get past the fact that it makes like 104 horsepower with the left rear wheel on a good day. It can't even, we've proven on this channel that this car will not do a burnout.
In an automatic, this is manual. We should try this one too.
Dude, that's way too loud. Yeah, my inner grandpa has been channeled. I don't want to listen to that all day. Let's step inside here and, oh, need the key. It's up here somewhere. Got it. Let's do some testing here before we fire up this beast. Hey Andy, that battery's dead.
Turbo probably came off.
The turbo? Andy says the turbo came off the battery.
No.
The turbo! I got a turbo battery. Did the terminal come off?
Yep.
Okay, there we go. We've got power again. This is a navigation car. Pretty cool. Looks like it's gonna work. We'll fire that up. I'm gonna close the door here. While we're waiting for that nav, let's get some, oh, Andy, the terminal! The terminal, Andy!
Again?
Again! Wait a minute, it just came back.
That's what happens when you put a Jeep battery in.
That's creepy. Anyways. Alright, let's just fire it up. Okay guys, headphone users, I'm gonna apologize in advance. I'm gonna give you a 5-second countdown because you'll know why. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There she goes. I'm not sure if you can hear me because I'm going deaf, but this thing is loud. Okay, well, as you guys can hear, it's loud. Let's go ahead and test out some of the power accessories in here. Driver side window regulator works. Passenger side is working well. Let's see how the radio does. Press enter to confirm. Enter. Oh, well, maybe we've got some issues here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, let's get that radio going. Radio's working well. Climate control panel works well. Also, my brain's scrambled from all that noise. Navigation unit, same deal here. We are going to break this all down and get it all for sale individually. We know that this is kind of specific to the nav car, so we'll get that all torn out. Motor runs really well, though. What was the miles on this thing? I totally forgot to tell you guys. 112,770. 112,770 miles on that Rotary. As you guys saw, it fired up. No, that was not a totally cold rev, so don't yell at me. We ran it a little bit earlier. I did probably flood it again, though, by shutting it off so quick. I think that is going to wrap it up, guys. That is L5MA496, our 2008 Mazda RX-8. If you guys are looking for parts off this car or that awesome interior, check out our website, www.jnjautoracking.com. I think we still got some parts left over from a Shinka one we bought not too long ago. That was kind of a surprise we got from a local auction. Other than that, guys, I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.